Hi everyone, I am Rajan Yadav. I am excited to share my recent data analysis project I completed with Unified Mentor. The past 2 months, I have been an incredible journey working on this project. Has not only been a significant learning experience, but also tremendous opportunity for a professional growth. One of the highlights was the support and guidance I received from the Unified Mentor team. Their expertise and feedback were invaluable, helping me to refine my skill and approach each challenge with confidence. Throughout the project, I appreciated the constructive feedback provided. It helped me identify area for improvement and pushed me to think critically about my work. This iterative process of receiving and acting on feedback has been essential in honing my skill, ability, and delivering high quality result. Overall, this experience has been both challenging and rewarding. I am grateful for the opportunity to apply my skill in a real world setting and to learn from such a supportive team. And thank you.